Hello YouTube, just got off work today and my amp came back. It's been gone for about 3 weeks now. I had to send it off because I got it in my car and figured out that I couldn't turn my gain up past a quarter of the way. So it's pretty frustrating. So whenever you buy off Craigslist, make sure you check everything completely. But anyway, it's fixed. I also had it modded by the guy. So instead of seeing 1200 RMS, it should be more or less around 1500 plus. Probably more on the lines of 2K. Because he was able to take the Hyphonics Brutus 1200 and turn it into a 2K. He said this one was relatively easy to work with. So let's hope for 2K. Hold on, let me turn on another light. It's kind of dark. I did an excellent job at wrapping this, by the way. The guy's name that was here is m1a. He's located in Memphis, Tennessee. You can reach him at his email. It's timwebb, WEBB101 @gmail.com. If you need an amp, if you have some problems with an amp or something, that's the guy to send it to. I mean, I really couldn't say what he charges, but he charged me $60 to completely fix everything that could possibly go wrong with the amp. Keep in all US parts. Rebuilt it from the ground up. I'll try posting a link in the video to get to his email. I'll ask him if he's got a YouTube account, so I'll get you a link to that. But anyway, there it is, all over again. So beautiful, even though I can't focus. I actually have one of the very first models of the m1a, so it doesn't have a remote gain port. Kind of sucks because I ordered one, not realizing it didn't have one. So, 1 second, and I'll open it up to show you the internals. Maybe. I'll find it. Ouch. Alright, found this computer. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh my god, one-handed doing this is very difficult. I'll probably do a little short video later of me installing my battery. It's excess power D925. Man, the fuck is a crank? And the screwdriver's the wrong size. Hold on. Well, damn. I'm not gonna be able to get this out anyway. Let's see, I guess. One of the screws on the other side is it's not a Phillips. It's some type of either Allen wrench or a star bit. I can't really see. Damn. Finally. Good God.
Keep this in here. I took some of mine out, but Timmy keeps taking it.
Well, I'm trying to make a video.
I didn't know.
All the MOSFETs are replaced. Blown channels fixed.